Okay, today we've got a Jackal repair. This one had bad 6809, bad 6264, 3 bad 245s, 2 bad 257s, and some NOOB damage. Let's fire it on. Other way. It's the real Jackal, none of that Top Gun rubbish. You can tell it's one of Andy's, there's no demo sound. Don't even know if there is sound on this board. Ha. Oh, there you go. It's in stereo mode. So we need to move that jumper over. We'll do that now. And I've also messed with the dip switches a bit, so we might get demo sound through that as well. No, don't know. No demo sound. Sound works though. Brilliant game. Remember this one from down in Cornwall. So yeah, them 257s were controls, so I'll just have a mess around with that. Brilliant. So yeah, you can't really play on a wire, but you know, that's how we roll. If in doubt, get the fuck out. Boom.